Top 6 Dishwasher for Third Rack Space 2026. Discover the best products for your lifestyle. We've curated the top selections just for you. Number 6. BrandX Full-Size Gray Polypropylene Flatware Rack for Commercial Dishwashers. Your dishwasher just got a serious upgrade. This full-size flatware rack is engineered for commercial-grade efficiency, crafted from durable polypropylene that won't warp, crack, or harbor bacteria, unlike flimsy wire alternatives. Perfect for busy restaurants, catering ops, or high-volume kitchens, it securely holds forks, knives, spoons, and even ladles without tangling. The open-grid design ensures water and detergent reach every crevice, delivering spotless results cycle after cycle. Lightweight yet rugged, it glides smoothly in and out of your machine, saving time and reducing strain during peak hours. While it's built for standard full-size dishwashers, double-check your model's dimensions. Some compact units may require a smaller variant. Say goodbye to jumbled utensils and hello to streamlined sanitation. This isn't just a rack, it's a kitchen workhorse that turns chaos into consistency, one clean piece at a time. Number 5. Simplehuman Compact Dish Drying Rack in Gray. This drying rack doesn't just hold dishes, it transforms your sink area into a clutter-free command center. Perfect for small kitchens, urban dwellers, or anyone tired of soggy countertops, the simplehuman compact dish rack delivers sleek efficiency in a space-saving design. Its stainless steel frame resists rust and adds modern elegance, while the 360-degree swivel spout directs water straight back into the sink, no more pooling or messy towels. Unlike flimsy plastic racks, this one features an anti-residue coating and moisture-wicking surface that dries dishes faster and stays cleaner. The built-in utensil holder keeps tools organized and accessible. Thoughtfully engineered for real life, it balances form and function seamlessly. Just note, larger dinner plates may require strategic placement due to its compact footprint. For anyone craving order without sacrificing style, this isn't just a drying rack, it's a kitchen upgrade. Number 4. Gray Polypropylene Full-Size Peg Plate Rack for Commercial Dishwashers, brand model. Dishwashers run smoother when trays glide in effortlessly. This full-size polypropylene peg plate rack makes it happen. Designed for busy commercial kitchens, hospitals, and cafeterias, it's built to handle high-volume washing without warping or cracking. Unlike flimsy wire racks that bend under pressure, this gray, food-grade tray offers superior durability and chemical resistance, ensuring plates stay secure and spotless every cycle. The open-grid design maximizes water and detergent flow, cutting down on residue and rewashes, saving time, water, and labor. Lightweight yet rugged, it's easy to load, unload, and stack. While it's engineered for standard full-size dishwashers, always confirm your machine's interior dimensions for a perfect fit. This isn't just a rack, it's a quiet workhorse that keeps your operation running like clockwork, shift after shift. Upgrade your wash line with reliability that pays off in efficiency and peace of mind. Number 3. Cambro PR314 Gray Peg Dishwasher Rack. Your dishes deserve more than flimsy racks that warp and rust. Meet the Cambro PR314 Peg Dish Rack in Gray, engineered for commercial kitchens and serious home chefs alike. Built with durable, high-impact polyethylene, this rack outperforms standard models with its rigid peg design that secures plates firmly, preventing chipping and maximizing space. Unlike flimsy alternatives, it resists cracking, fading, and chemical damage even under heavy use. The open frame structure ensures superior water drainage and detergent penetration, delivering spotless results every cycle. Perfect for restaurants, caterers, or anyone who values efficiency and longevity. While its industrial strength means it's heavier than plastic competitors, that's a trade-off for unmatched reliability. Lightweight it's not, but flimsy? Never. Whether you're washing fine china or everyday dinnerware, the PR314 keeps everything stable, clean, and ready to shine. This isn't just a dish rack, it's a kitchen workhorse built to last. Number 2. Honeywell 18-inch dishwasher, 8 settings, 6 programs, stainless steel, black. This dishwasher doesn't just clean, it conquers. Meet the Honeywell 18-inch built-in, engineered for compact kitchens that demand big performance. Ideal for urban dwellers, small families, or anyone upgrading from hand washing, it packs 8 place settings into a sleek black stainless steel frame. 6 intelligent wash cycles adapt to everything from delicate china to baked-on casserole pans, while the durable stainless steel tub resists odors and retains heat for spotless results. Energy Star certified and UL listed, it slashes utility bills without sacrificing power. Unlike bulkier models, its slim profile fits tight spaces, yet delivers pro-grade drying and whisper-quiet operation. Sure, it's not full size, so oversized pots may need a hand wash, but for daily loads, it's a game changer. Say goodbye to sink stacks and hello to effortless elegance. This isn't just a dishwasher. It's your kitchen's silent powerhouse. Number 1. Sharp SDW6506JS 24-inch stainless steel dishwasher. This dishwasher doesn't just clean, it conquers. With a whisper-quiet 49 dB operation, the Sharp SDW6506JS slips into your kitchen like a stealth chef, tackling 12 place settings without waking the house. Perfect for busy families or entertainers who value peace and precision. Its third rack is a game-changer, no more juggling silverware or cramming mugs. Front touch controls respond with a tap, offering intuitive access to cycles designed for everything from delicate china to baked-on casserole pans. Compared to bulkier models, its sleek 24-inch stainless steel frame fits seamlessly into modern spaces while resisting fingerprints. You'll love coming home to spotless dishes without the noise or hassle. One note, if you frequently wash oversized pots, you might need to adjust loading, but that's a small trade for such refined performance. Sharp delivers elegance, efficiency, and quiet confidence, one wash at a time. Thanks for watching Dishwasher for third rack space. Check the links in description for more details and best prices.